In this video, I'm going to show you a really easy automation trick that's going to 10x your output. Really, this is going to help you write text in Google Sheets, but at an incredible rate. So it's very similar to what I've done with SheetLord. This is a site where you can enter one keyword, Google Sheets, or let's say digital marketing, and you see all of these URLs changed. So all of these URLs are looking at this one B2. And I want to show you how this can be used multiple ways. So right here, we're going to write email subjects. And we're going to write email subjects with one topic, but we're going to write a ton of email subjects all at the same time. So we can say digital marketing is our topic, and we want to write some email subjects that have some text. So what we're going to do is something very simple, is equal sign, and then whatever cell we're referencing, here we're using B1. Then we're going to use an ampersand, and we're going to add a quote, and then a space, and do with this one simple trick. And now, end quote, and hit enter. Now I can do this again, equals, but I can put the text in the front. One simple trick for add a space, quote, and then ampersand is sort of like concatenating or combining text, B1. And so now I have two different subjects, or two different text, right? And these are email subject variations, but using exactly the same cell. So now I can change this to better Google Sheets with one simple trick for better Google Sheets. We can add another equal sign here, B1, ampersand, in quotes, space, in 7 days or less, equals B1, ampersand, without spending a dime, equals B1, ampersand, quote, without any effort. Or let's just do this one, effortlessly. There. And see, so we can write any sort of length in this B1 and it can be added. So our customers from digital marketing with this one simple trick for more customers from digital marketing, right? So we can see the variations here. So we're writing all of these variations based on this one exact cell. And I think this is a really cool automation or optimization and a really amazing use of Google Sheets. If you've never done this before, if you've never done a formula before, we're just adding equal sign, we're adding B1 ampersand using AI. And of course, we're not using AI. We're just using some simple B1 ampersand while you sleep. That's pretty cool. More, better, tension rate while you sleep using AI effortlessly, right? So now we're adding really cool things. We can add B1 ampersand, maybe some emojis, secret revealed. Ooh, equals B1 ampersand, faster. Ooh, that's cool. And even if we have nothing here, we have all of the examples here. We could put a little fun thing here as equals if. Now if B1 blank, enter something, we'll put a quote, enter something in B1. So if we don't have anything here, we'll say enter something in B1. We'll add a emoji up. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And now that message disappears. So a little bit of extra here, if formula for you, and now we have all of these awesome email subjects. Cool. Hope you enjoyed that one. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.